Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to share with you guys this installation that I did on the stairs. And this is me just practicing my craft because I think it's very important when you're going to offer your clients a product. It's very important that you know exactly what you're doing. And the only way you'll know is if you try and try until you get it perfected, right? So this is me using some sheer material that I had in my inventory, and this is sheer, and I'm also using zip ties for this installation. I had to end up using 3 together because the zip ties weren't long enough. So I ended up using only one sheer panel for this stairs installation, and that's my husband. He had to take out the ladder because the stairs was pretty high and long, so we had to use stepping ladder. Now, when they say practice becomes perfect, this was really a prime example because I redesigned this look so much times in my head. Then I was saying it was too thick, and then I was thinking, you'll see later on the video, to cut the sheer, and I tried to go skinnier for a different look. But at the end of the day, it worked out that the thicker tongue twister, the second look looked a lot better. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so I decided just to videotape the process. So guys, I jumped out of bed and I decided I was gonna be very productive today and get this design done because I want to execute this summer for the events that I have planned. And so also that's me with the sheer material that I cut in half. And I didn't like the way it looked. It looked too thin. Maybe if it was outside, it would probably look a little bit better. But the way it looked on this stairs, this insulation would not be, it didn't cut it. The hallway was too grand and everything was just grand. And so this look was too thin. So I X'd out this idea and we went with the thicker sheer. So again, like what I'm telling you guys, if you have the inventory and you have the time, get out there and just practice your craft, because when you're charging, you want your product to look good, right? You want your design to look good. Don't wait till you get to your client's house or to the event and realizing that, you know what, I didn't even research what I need to do, or I didn't even do a mock, to see what it's going to look like. So it's so important that if you're not going to go out there and take classes, it's very important that you try this on your spare time, okay? Not this particular look, but just try anything, whether it's flowers, anything that you're doing. Just always practice your craft. Okay, enough with that. So this is what it looked like. We had to use zip ties in 3 places. So on the very top, the middle, and the very bottom. So right now I'm just adding zip ties to the banister so I can connect my flowers onto the banister. And if you're doing an outside wedding or this setup outside, I suggest you use more than 1 zip tie to secure it. But right now I'm just using 1 zip tie. Okay, and be adding 3 floral arrangements to this banister to give it that nice, full, beautiful look. And here are some outrunners that I designed from before for a previous wedding that I had. I just decided, in order to do a whole floral arrangement again for the stairs, I just decided to cut one of my outrunners in half and just use it for the stairs installation. So that's why it's very important that you can practice your craft so that you can also learn along the way. And even if you have to cut it, it would be at your own expense, right? So that's that. I didn't need that piece, so I threw it over there, and I just tried to open up the flowers a lot more on this piece here. And this is the one that I'll be using to add to the top of the banister. Okay, guys, so it wasn't hard at all. I think we're going to try again with a different kind of material. I think next time I'll try to use like a lycra material or something a lot more, the material that has a lot more swag. I think I'm going to use that instead of the sheer material. I don't know, we'll see. So guys, we're all done, and I'm so happy with the turnout, the outcome, how everything looked, nice and full. Yay me. Thank you guys again for watching. Stay blessed.